How to make a PDF smaller on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up Safari browser on your iPhone. Once you are in, type the website name on your search bar. Then, tap on Search. Open the first website that appears on your screen. Then, find the Compress PDF option. Tap on it. Here, you need to select a PDF from your files. Select the PDF. Then, tap on Open at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will see a preview of your PDF. Now, tap on the Compress PDF button over here. It will take some time to compress the PDF. Once the file is compressed, tap on Download Compressed PDF. After that, you can access the compressed PDF from your iPhone. So by following these very simple steps, one can easily make a PDF smaller on iPhone.